If you then understand the analog network coding, let's go back to the cross, right? So when you have the analog network coding without overhearing, and you would just want to do the coding now between Charlie and Dave, Alice and Bob, and you have the relay, what can you do, right? You can shoot in the first slot, sending at the same time, producing a coded packet at the relay. He has to do from the received one to the signal a little bit of mapping, and then they will do that. The same over there, and do that. So now, instead of 8, normally if you have no coding at all, you would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 4 time slots for the full exchange. What was it in the digital? 5, correct. So here we have only 4. You see, oh, it's a little bit better. But what is if I even put in overhearing? This means A and B can send at the same time. And we get an overheard A and B superposition here at Charlie, Dave, and the relay. Now you do the same for Charlie and Dave, and you get an overheard signal in Alice and Bob, which is a superposition of packets C and D. And then what you get now is out of this you can make one combined signal only ending up in 3 time slots for the full exchange. Okay? So now there's something else. You can even say full duplex. Full duplex means that we are sending and receiving at the same time. It's not so easy. It's just now a model, right? If you do that, then everybody would send at the same time. The relay would get one superposition of all the packets. They would get a superposition of Alice would get one of Charlie and Dave, and so on at the same time. And then we send out this one later on, so 2 time slots. Okay? Even better. So if you bring this then to the throughput of the cross topology, this is the throughput over the load. Then you see the yellow one here that goes up and down here. This is the pure relaying. Okay? Or also here it's called forwarding. Then we have the digital network coding without overhearing goes up and down. And the digital network coding with overhearing is going up and here. So the analog goes even higher. But then due to the fact that it might have the problem with the relay that cannot send enough, it will drop down a little bit. And then you will have analog coding with overhearing, it's here, and with duplex is over here. So this is 200 times the capacity of the link, which is quite interesting, right? Normally the crossing in a wireless mesh is where it really is collapsing. With this you can go beyond everything that we have seen. And this one is what is state of the art. This one is what you can easily get, right? This one you have to work a little bit, but I will show you how to get there. It's not so easy. Remember, the digital network coding is when in the overlay there are some problems, then you will see also that this will shrink down. But the analog, this is the tricky part, okay? Okay, what else can we do with the analog network coding?